Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a glass text effect in Affinity. And not just text, this effect can be applied to shapes too. So let's get into it. I'll give the background a color first. So I'll go to the pixel menu at the top, click on it, and select New Fill Layer. Now with the Fill tool selected, I'll drag the gradient path from the center outward. Now I'll change this gradient stop to light blue and the other to a darker blue. I'll head to the context toolbar and on type, I'll switch it to radial. And the background is ready. Next, I'll write something on the canvas. I'll grab the artistic text tool and type glass. I'll change the font, leave the color as is, change the text alignment to center, resize it a bit, and move it to the center. Now I'll grab the Move tool, and with the text selected, I'll go to the bottom of the Layers panel and click Layer Effects. From here, we can adjust the glass effect. Let's select Bevel/Emboss. On type, make sure it's set to pillow. Then on radius, I'll leave it to 5 pixels. I'll unlock the aspect ratio, change the depth to 10 pixels, and set soften to 1 pixel. Now on profile, I'll click the box and select this one. On direction, I'll leave azimuth at 135 degrees and elevation to 30 degrees. On highlight, I'll change the opacity to 80%. On shadow, I'll change the opacity to 20%. Now let's select Inner Glow. I'll leave the blend mode as screen, change the opacity to 80%, change the radius to 35 pixels, set the intensity to 30%, leave the color as white, and make sure Edge is selected. Then I'll come down to the bottom and slide the fill opacity to 0%. Next, I'll go to Outer Shadow. I'll leave the blend mode as Multiply, leave the opacity at 50%, change the radius to 25 pixels, set the offset to 10 pixels, and intensity to 20%. I'll leave the color as black, leave the angle as is, and make sure Fill Knocks Out Shadow is checked. After that, I'll go to the bottom and select Scale with Object, so the effects stay proportional when we resize the text. Now close the window, and our glass text effect is ready. The text is fully editable, so I can change it any way I like. And we can apply the effects to shapes too. So let me grab the Shape tool and draw a shape. I'll pick the Heart tool and draw it. Now I'll copy the effects from the text, right-click on it, and select Copy. Then I'll grab the Move tool and select the heart. Go to Edit, select Paste, and click Effects. If the heart is not transparent, I can go to the Layers panel, click on the FX icon, go down to Fill Opacity, and slide it to 0%. I can make further adjustments too. Maybe tweak the inner glow, increase the radius, and the intensity a little. And there you have it. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Leave me a comment if you have any questions. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.